Welcome to my channel. If you guys are new here, my name is Stephanie and I create content on fashion, sewing, vlogs, and vacations and all that good stuff. But let's get straight into it. This is the first sewing project that we are going to work on together. I have some fabric in my stash that I haven't used in a very long time. I want to use it and I think now is the time. I have my pattern here. So I have to assemble this pattern, put it together, and cut out my size specifically. It is a knit pant, and I think I have enough fabric to do like a small top with it. We'll see. So yeah, let's get straight into it. This is the fabric that I'm going to be working with. It is a black 4-way stretch knit fabric. First thing we do have to do is assemble a pattern and see if we have enough fabric to make these pants. This is a free pattern that you can get online, so I will also link that in the description. Let's get this laid out and then we can put it all together, cut it, and see if we have enough. So I went ahead and assembled the patterns on top of the fabric. It does seem like we have enough fabric because we need to cut 2 of the back and then 2 of the front, and same thing with the waistband. We have to cut 2 of those. So yeah, let's start cutting. Girlies, this is our first sewing project together, so I am very excited for this. I saw this pattern and I was like, you know what? I have some fabric that I have had for a very long time, and what better time than to use it now. I'm going to show you guys the vibe that I'm going for. It's kind of like the fold over cozy pants, and if I do have enough fabric, I will want to make a matching top. I have my patterns laid out on my fabric, but I'm going to bring you guys along so you guys can have a step-by-step instruction on how to make these so you guys can make them as well. So yeah, let's get into it. First thing we're going to do is cut one of the back leg. Okay, so we have our back piece. We now have the front. As long as I cut it within the grain line, it should be good. Just want to save as much fabric as I can. So what we're going to do here is we folded our fabric in half because we need 2 of these. So we're just going to go ahead and cut. I have all this extra fabric for a shirt. I'm so excited. Now that we have 2 of the backs, 2 of the fronts, and 2 of the waistbands, we can go ahead and start pinning together. We're going to pin 1 front and 1 back. Now that we have both of our front and back piece right sides together, we're going to go ahead and just pin along the side and then this side. Now that we have our pieces pinned together, we can now go ahead and start sewing. I'm going to sew the inseam first, and I have a serger. If you don't have a serger, you can always do a zigzag stitch. This just saves my life and time and patience and all of the above. One side is complete. now that we sewed both legs together, I'm gonna put one leg right side in and the other one right side out. You can't really tell because it's black. We're gonna put the one that's right side out inside of the one that is right side in. And then we're just gonna attach the crotch and sew it together. What you're gonna do here is sew this whole crotch area. This is what happens when you cut corners on things and you think it's gonna work, but it's not. I'm gonna finally attach the waistband to it.